Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and traders are asking me what is the target of Ethereum until the end of 2030. I think it's quite pointless to have an analysis more than 4 years range in cryptocurrency market. In this video I'm going to tell you why, and after that I'm going to have a complete analysis on Ethereum in multiple time frames, so watch this video carefully and till the end. As you can see, in cryptocurrency market we have bullish cycles, and after that we have more than 1000 days of correction. Okay, it's repetitive in cryptocurrency market and it's happening again and again and again. Okay, so in order to have a strong analysis in cryptocurrency market, you have to predict these bullish waves, okay, these bullish cycle. Okay, so right now as you can see, I think we are somewhere near the end of this bullish cycle. So right now at this price it's pointless to have an analysis for more than 10 years in cryptocurrency market. We need to finish this bullish cycle, and after that we can have an analysis for example 10 years from now on. Okay, so right now we need to determine the final target of Ethereum in this cycle in cryptocurrency market. So let's begin with Ethereum. As you can see on Ethereum, price succeed to break above the previous all-time high area, which was here, and we had a pullback on weekly time frame, and after this pullback we had a strong bounce to the upside on 4-hour time frame, and also on 4-hour time frame we have a beautiful uptrend channel, which is going to be something like this one. Let me write. Yeah, the beautiful uptrend channel, and as long as Ethereum is inside this uptrend channel, we are in the bullish cycle for Ethereum, and as long as we are above this red area, Ethereum price can move up to higher levels. Okay, I think Ethereum can move up for 130% from the top of this red area. Okay, I think we can move up for another 130%, which is going to be somewhere around $10,000 or $11,000. Okay, I think this is going to be the final target for Ethereum in this bullish cycle in cryptocurrency market. So after that, I think Ethereum price can move down or even consolidate for years. So it's pointless to have an analysis for example 10 years from now on. Okay, right now the best thing we can do is to predict the final target in this bullish cycle. Okay, because when we predict something, for example if I predict that Ethereum will reach for example $1 million until the end of 2030, you are not going to sell your Ethereum at the end of this bullish cycle. After that Ethereum price will move down for example 70%, 80% or even more, and you will be disappointed and upset because you were in a lot of profit and you didn't sell because for example some 10 years prediction. Okay, at the end of bullish cycle in cryptocurrency market, I'm going to sell all of my cryptos and I'm going to exit market. So this is everything we need to know about Ethereum on multiple time frames. For example, we can even analyze Ethereum on monthly time frame, and as you can see on monthly time frame, I think we are forming some sort of ABC pattern and Fibonacci tools in order to predict the final target of Ethereum in this bullish cycle in cryptocurrency market. As you can see, this Fibonacci tool is showing us $30,000. As you can see, this Fibonacci tool is showing us $13,000 target, and also if for example you want to hold for 10 years, it might be the target, the final target for Ethereum in 10 years, but this is not really wise to, for example, hold until 10 years, because I myself I'm going to exit at the end of this bullish cycle in cryptocurrency market. Why? Because as you can see, price has moved up from $8 to $1,000 here. Okay, from the $8 to $1,000. After that, price moved down to $80. Okay, it's a big correction in the market. It's something like 92%. Okay, and it's going to happen again in Ethereum. So this is assuming to have an analysis in 10 years range in cryptocurrency market while we are somewhere near the end of this bullish cycle. Okay, after the end of this bullish cycle, after for example something like 1000 days of correction, we can have an analysis for example 10 years from now on. But right now we need to wait for the end of this bullish cycle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. See you later, guys.